Colds are a part of life. They sneak up on us when we least expect it, turning our days into a haze of tissues, sneezes, and that unmistakable feeling of being under the weather. Whether it's the middle of winter or the height of summer, colds don't discriminate. They can strike anyone, anywhere, at any time. We all get them from time to time. It's almost like a rite of passage, a reminder of our human vulnerability. The symptoms are all too familiar. The scratchy throat, the runny nose, the persistent cough, and the general sense of malaise that makes even the simplest tasks feel monumental. They bring sniffles, sneezes, and that all-around lousy feeling. It's as if our bodies are waging a small war against an invisible enemy, and we're caught in the crossfire. The congestion, the headaches, the fatigue, they all conspire to keep us feeling down and out. While there's no magic cure, nature offers some powerful remedies. Over the centuries, people have turned to natural ingredients to soothe their symptoms and boost their immune systems. These remedies, passed down through generations, harness the healing properties of everyday items found in our kitchens. Honey and cinnamon, two readily available ingredients, can help you feel better faster. Honey, with its natural antibacterial properties, can soothe a sore throat and calm a cough. Cinnamon, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, can help reduce congestion and support overall health. In this essay, we'll explore how honey and cinnamon can be your allies in fighting the common cold. We'll look at the science behind their benefits and how they work together to provide relief. From soothing a scratchy throat to easing congestion, these two ingredients can make a significant difference in how you feel. We'll delve into their individual benefits and provide you with a simple recipe to make your own soothing remedy at home. This recipe is easy to prepare and can be customized to suit your taste. Whether you prefer a warm, comforting drink or a sweet, soothing syrup, honey and cinnamon can be combined in various ways to help you feel better. So, let's embark on this journey to natural wellness together. By understanding the benefits of honey and cinnamon and learning how to use them effectively, we can take control of our health and find comfort in nature's remedies. Join us as we explore the power of these simple ingredients and discover how they can help us feel our best, even when we're under the weather. Honey, a golden liquid produced by bees, is more than just a sweet treat. It's a pantry staple in many homes, often used to sweeten tea, spread on toast, or add a touch of natural sweetness to various dishes. But did you know it's also a potent natural remedy? Beyond its culinary uses, honey has been cherished for its health benefits for thousands of years. For centuries, honey has been revered for its medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, used honey not only as a food but also as a healing agent. Its thick, syrupy texture effectively coats and soothes irritated throats, providing immediate relief from discomfort. Honey's antibacterial properties work wonders in fighting off infection. When applied to wounds, it can help prevent bacterial growth and promote faster healing. The enzymes in honey release hydrogen peroxide, a natural antiseptic, which is why it's often used in natural wound care. This natural antiseptic quality helps to keep those pesky cold germs at bay, making honey a valuable addition to your home remedies. This soothing and germ-fighting duo makes honey a fantastic natural remedy for coughs and sore throats. Whether you're adding it to your tea or taking a spoonful straight, honey can provide much-needed relief. But the benefits of honey don't stop there. It's also packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress in the body and support overall health. Incorporating honey into your diet can boost your immune system, giving you an extra layer of defense against illnesses. Additionally, honey is a popular ingredient in natural skincare. Its moisturizing and antibacterial properties make it an excellent choice for face masks and treatments. So next time you reach for that jar of honey, remember, it's not just a sweetener, it's nature's sweet relief, offering a multitude of benefits for your health and well-being. From soothing sore throats to boosting your immune system, honey truly is a golden gift from nature. Embrace the natural goodness of honey and let it bring sweetness and health into your life. Nature's sweet relief is just a spoonful away. Cinnamon, with its warm aroma and distinct flavor, is a beloved spice worldwide. Beyond its culinary uses, cinnamon boasts impressive medicinal properties. This versatile spice is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, effectively reducing swelling and irritation in the body. When you have a cold, your body experiences inflammation as part of its natural defense mechanism. Cinnamon helps to calm this inflammation, providing relief from those uncomfortable symptoms. Its warming properties can also help to loosen phlegm and relieve congestion. Now that you know the individual benefits of honey and cinnamon, let's combine their powers in a simple, effective remedy. You'll need just 2 ingredients: raw honey and ground cinnamon. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey to a mug. Sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix well until combined. Consume this mixture 2 to 3 times daily, especially before bedtime. Section 5. The right dose for a speedy recovery. While this honey and cinnamon remedy is generally safe for most individuals, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Honey and cinnamon have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their numerous health benefits. Honey is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, while cinnamon is praised for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Together, they create a powerful combination that can help boost your immune system and speed up recovery from various ailments. The recommended dosage is 1 teaspoon of honey with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 to 3 times a day. This dosage ensures that you get the benefits without overloading your system with too much sugar or spice. It's a simple yet effective way to incorporate natural remedies into your daily routine. Remember, honey is a natural sugar, so excessive consumption can lead to blood sugar spikes. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes or those who are monitoring their blood sugar levels. Always be mindful of how much honey you are consuming and adjust accordingly. It's always best to listen to your body and adjust the dosage as needed. Everyone's body reacts differently to natural remedies, and what works for one person may not work for another. Keeping a health journal can help you track your reactions and make necessary adjustments. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. It's crucial to seek professional advice if you have any concerns or if you are taking other medications that might interact with honey or cinnamon. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance based on your specific health needs. Section 6. A word of caution. When to seek expert advice. While honey and cinnamon are generally safe for most people, there are a few exceptions. Individuals with diabetes should consult their doctor before using honey due to its sugar content. If you're allergic to pollen or bee stings, you might also be allergic to honey. If you experience any allergic reactions, such as itching, hives, or difficulty breathing, stop using honey and seek medical attention immediately. Section 7. Beyond colds. Other benefits of honey and cinnamon. The benefits of honey and cinnamon extend far beyond cold relief. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This makes it an excellent natural moisturizer for both skin and hair. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has been linked to improved blood sugar control and reduced cholesterol levels. Its potent antioxidants may also protect against heart disease and certain types of cancer. Section 8. A natural approach to wellness. Incorporating natural remedies like honey and cinnamon into your wellness routine is a holistic approach to health. These natural ingredients offer a gentle yet effective way to support your body's natural healing process. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management is crucial for overall well-being. Section 9. Listen to your body, the best guide. While natural remedies can be incredibly beneficial, it's vital to listen to your body and seek professional medical advice when needed. Every individual is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to how your body responds to different remedies and adjust your approach accordingly. Section 10. Embrace the power of natural remedies. Nature provides us with an abundance of healing remedies. Honey and cinnamon are just 2 examples of the many natural ingredients that can support our health and well-being. By embracing a more natural approach to health, we can harness the power of nature to live healthier, happier lives. Section 11. Honey and cinnamon, your allies against the common cold. The next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for honey and cinnamon. These readily available ingredients can provide soothing relief from those pesky cold symptoms. Remember to consume them in moderation and consult your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. Embrace the power of natural remedies and experience the difference they can make in your journey to wellness. Stay healthy and feel your best.